On. Ladies and gentlemen, the third best actor, or I can say speaker of the day. The third best speaker of outdoor activity is Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Anudesh. He was damn. Please come on the stage. Fantastic. He was devoted. Even he was gonna fall into gutter, but he kept doing. He was really devoted, sir. Congratulations that you have born today. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic.
I am feeling incorrect English.
I am so excited.
I'm excited.
Yes, sir.
Why are you excited? Are you going to do again?
Yes, sir.
After getting it, what are you feeling, sir?
Sir, I want to do this type of activity.
You
again
want to do
outside,
this
sir.
activity again and again?
Yes, sir, again and
after
again.
Getting this, how do you feel, sir?
Sir, I am feel very much
I am
happy.
excuse me. I can't give you, sir. I can't give you. I'm sorry. If he speaks,
I am feeling very well.
Very
and
well?
I am happy.
you should not feel very well only, sir.
Sir, I am happy, sir. Taking this, I am very much happy, sir.
Really?
Taking this for you, sir. To you, sir.
Excuse
I am
me.
very much.
You are giving me.
No, sir. You giving me.
You giving me? Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't give, guys. He's speaking
Sir,
in correct
sir,
English.
you are giving me.
Huh?
I am really very much.
Please come on.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Please have a seat. Now, all right. Second best speaker. Second best speaker of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know who he is or she is? Yes, she. Ladies and gentlemen, very well activity done by that person. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss अमरजीत हो सकता था he could have been his name. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. He was really devoted. He was enthusiastic and eloquent speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me out. Who can be second?
Miss.
She's saying that's for me, right? How sure she is, right? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Keep it and Miss Aditi! No! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Ladies and gentlemen, Manjais! आपको बताना चाहिए कौन हो जाएगा? Who should be? ये तो वही वाली बातें हो गई. आउटडोर ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग में सर प्राइम मिनिस्टर किसको बनाना चाहते हैं? हम ही को बना दें. No, guys, let's not do anything, right? Come on. Nawaz Sharif! No, let's not take much time, guys. Miss Aditi, please go to the stage. Yes, everybody. She managed her team very well. From starting in the last, she did well job.
Thank you, sir.
How do you feel today? Come on.
Sir,
What happened to you? Please give me back.
I really want this certificate because I didn't remember that last time when I got the chance to appreciated by you, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel after getting this
Sir,
certificate?
really
right?
marvelous, sir.
Really marvelous.
I
So
can't
which
express.
activity did you like more? The washroom, showroom one, showroom activity or outdoor activity? Which
Sir,
one?
both, sir.
Both you liked more.
Showroom as well as.
So should we conduct again
Yes,
this
sir,
kind of
again.
activity? I think we can do after this activity. Again we can do today.
Okay, sir.
Are you excited for that?
Yes, sir.
Well, excuse me, your energy is saying no, sir.
Sir,
Please have this. Very nice.
sorry.
Have a
Thank you
seat.
so much.
Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, the first and the best speaker of the day today. One of the best speakers of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. My awaz is gone. My awaz is no more. Please put your hands together for Mr. Avdesh. Who can be Jai Prakash? I myself. No, except me. Except me. And जिनको ये जाएगी, इसका मतलब वही टीम जीती है. Sorry. Nice. See, the best matters, right? Maybe this goes to you as well. This may go to you as well. Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Misika. Why not? Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 2.5, पौने 3, होए वाला है 3.
पहुंच गया 3.
हो गया 3. Put your hands together for Miss Muskan. Oh my goodness. So the winner team is
Muskan's team?
Obviously. Our Cap's team, of
Yes,
course.
Cap's team. Sorry, Cap's team. Cap.
No, of course your team, right?
No, because of Cap sir, we were able to manage well.
No,
I was unable to manage my team members. I was able to do well while speaking, but sir came and managed everything well.
No, first of all, tell me that which activity did you like more, in the auditorium or out of the auditorium, or in the showroom, right? Where did you like more?
I liked in the showroom because I was given more chance to speak. I was the main
the person to handle that?
Yeah, though I got very irritated sometime because everybody was coming with the same reason, ma'am, महंगा. What is this, yaar? You come to showroom with the same reason, महंगा. Why are you coming to the showroom then? So I was like a bit irritated, but I was able to manage.
How did you feel when Avdesh bike came with short dress? I don't know what was.
It was like
What is that? Tank top.
the tank top. It was
Tank
the
top.
Tank
It is for auntie or it's for boys?
It's for girls.
It's for girls, right? I thought, excuse me, what is this? I was like, toba. So
No, I was very thrilled because everybody was coming with a different problem. So I was able to think the solution on the spot.
how did you feel when Salman came and said, excuse me, मुझे washroom जाना है?
How can I help then you? How can I help you? You can. And one more thing, he was asking, do you have separate washroom or same washroom? I was like, excuse me, we know it's not possible that we have the same washroom for that.
And at the same time, he was going to wear, one top. I said, excuse me, the t-shirt was something like that, right? By the way, for your kind information, that showroom was only for girls, right? They were finding out some of t-shirts.
Yes.
By the way, so.
But I was happy because they came with a different problem, so I was able to think the solution very, very quickly. I haven't mugged up anything. I was able to provide the solution. So it was interesting.
Fantastic. So, how do you feel after winning actually?
I feel great. Like, it's my first certificate. It's been only 3 weeks since I've joined the institute, and I won this. It's like a great feeling, and coming from you, it's like I feel.
Oh my
I'm very
goodness!
blessed.
So should we reconduct this kind of activity next time, right?
Yes, I want to be the customer this time.
Of course.
I want to. No, I have chance.
No, we can
to
do some other activities as well very soon, right?
This is better than giving the presentation.
Of
because
course.
When we are giving the presentation, we are all about. We know the content. We are just first of all, we fear that we are forgetting lines and we are using incorrect English. But when we are conducting this kind of activity, everything comes on the spot. Then I think I was able to speak fluently. Now today, I was unable to speak that fluently in the days I have been giving the presentation. So I think we should develop that wisdom to think in English and speak in English.
And it can be possible when you get random situations, right? Like we got today, right?
Real life situations that we will visit a mall someday.
Of course.
We are able to communicate better and deliver our problems.
Exactly.
It will help us. We are not going to and nobody will come and say you that you have to go and speak about anything else. You have to use English language in the daily life, daily problems.
Of
like
course.
you are going to any shop or you are visiting somebody. So this activity helps us develop more wisdom and more capability to think in English and speak fluently.
Fantastic. Please have a seat. Very nice. Very nice. Fantastic. बड़ा मामला, बड़ा sensitive चीजें होती है, right? कोई नहीं guys, next time let's see you. I think some people also went back, right?
Yes.
यही है struggle. कोई रुक गया, कोई भाग गया. जो रुक गया वो पा गया. जो नहीं पाया वो पाएगा. जो चला गया वो आएगा. और नहीं आएगा तो वो सताया जाएगा. All right, चलिए खैर guys, let's see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care. Have a nice day. We will supporting. Bye bye, take care everybody.